I'm like pretty positive that when I was sleeping, my scarf like unraveled and fell off my sleeve, and I just kind of like put it back, like just put it back in place while I was sleeping. But like I didn't do a good job. Like I just kind of put it back, like I didn't really like wrap it back up. I'm kind of scared to see what my hair would look like, because yesterday I was trying so hard to like my hair and not crash out. See what I told you? I just kind of put it in here. Also, I didn't do it tight, because when I do it tight I get headaches in the morning. Oh, my hair. I hate it when my hair gets like this when I sleep. Oh my god. Why is my hair wet? Why is it wet? I try to have so much patience with my hair. I try to understand where it's coming from, but how are you wet? I'm trying not to do my edges, because like I've low-key realized that I'm low-key going bald from doing my edges. So we're not gonna do that anymore. I'm gonna try to, because I might actually end up doing them. This is what my hair is looking like. I don't like it, I'm not gonna lie. It's like really hard and then wet in some spots. I'm like, girl, it's not like wet, it's like damp. Like you could tell like there's certain pieces that didn't dry right. And my hair's hard as fuck. I was trying to diffuse my hair yesterday with this new blow dryer, and that shit, all it did was make my hair frizzier and blow it everywhere. Yeah, never again. I did a new curly hair routine yesterday, so maybe that's why. Well, welcome you guys. I kind of forgot to give a little introduction, but this is my curly hair diaries, while I take you guys through my curly hair as the week goes on, because I'm always doing something in my hair, or there's always something going on in my hair. So this is this week's. I think I'm gonna make these weekly. I need help. I low-key love the way the curls look, but my hair just feels so hard. I need to fluff out the roots because I look a little crazy. Guys, my hair is so frizzy. I'm about to start crying. Like, yeah, never using that blow dryer again. I'm just gonna air dry. My hair looks so weird. I haven't had my hair look like this in like a very long time. Just like that. Just brush them back. Ow, that kind of hurts. Do I have a pimple right here? It kind of hurts right here. Does that look dumb? Like just me having like one little phew right there? Well, if it does, oh well, because I really don't give a fuck. My hair looks so frizzy. Like, it looks so frizzy in person, but on camera it looks so good. I literally have to leave in like 2 minutes. I'm not even joking. Like, what? I'm not even joking. I should be downstairs in like 2 minutes. Should I shake out my roots, or am I gonna start crying? Like, genuinely start crying out right now. I'm gonna just shake them out. Okay, it looks the same to me. Yesterday was so hot. It was not cold at all. Like I don't know what's going on. Like, it's December. I'm in a very chatty mood today. Watch for the next like 3 days. I kid you not. I'm gonna show you guys my hair and not even talk to you guys, because that's just how I am, sadly. But okay, I'm gonna just leave it off at that, because like I think it's fine. Like, it's fine. I think I'm gonna just stop sleeping with the scarf, because it keeps falling out when I sleep, and it did it again today. By the way, I haven't taken my hair out. I'm a little confused on how my hair is going like that. I just stuck the scarf in there, but I think that's my hair. So I'm really scared to see how my hair turned out, because yesterday I basically like slept for like the whole day. I was tired, guys. I have exams today. I'm a little nervous about that, but I literally slept the whole day. And when I first slept, I just put my hair up in a ponytail and just went to bed. I didn't put my bonnet on or nothing. And I slept on my cotton pillowcase. So my hair probably looks like a hot mess right now, because when I went to actual bed, I took my hair out of the ponytail. I didn't even look at it. Nothing. Just put a new ponytail in and then put my bonnet on. So we're gonna see how my hair looks, because you know, this is why I don't like wearing bonnets, because it makes my hair like scrunch up like that, and it looks like, I don't know, like it looks like, to me it looks like leftover food, and then you like, and it stays in one piece. Yeah, that's what my hair is giving. Ooh, my edges are crazy. I kept my promise. I'm not doing them, and like they want to be done so bad. They're like, oh my god, do me, do me. I'm not doing you, sorry. Oh, I'm surprised my hair didn't get that messed up. Oh my god, why does my hair always do that when I like sleep? It always like, it's like flat, right? And then there's just these bumps that go up and then, like, what? Guys, I'm so sorry. Let's put oil in my hair, because I like to overly oil my hair, because like I'm weird like that. I think that it makes my hair grow, but it doesn't, unless it does. We don't know. I like to overly oil my hair now. Also, my hair's like really dry, like naturally. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera. I like to say it's dry. I don't know if it is. I don't know. Should I do a middle part today or a side part? I'm kind of feeling the side part. I'm always feeling a side part. I want to do middle parts because they're easier, and my side parts always look good when I have a middle part, which is, ow, my wrist. I did not study for my finals today. I'm not usually like this. Like, I'm a straight A student right now. But like, it's like, I'm the type of student where I learn everything from the, like, I know that everything is going to be on the exam. Like, the exam never leaves my mind, because exams low-key like freak me out. And I always learn everything and I try to remember everything, and I feel like that's why I think that's why I'm starting to do good on exam, because I was so bad on the exam. I would try to keep my grade as high as possible because that exam grade was what was fucking me. I did do like review in the classes, so it's not like what I'm about to see is like completely new. Like, damn guys, already halfway through the year. The year was so incredibly long for no reason. After freshman year, every year after that just turned out like was so fucking fast. Guys, it's like pissing me off because why is this so bumpy? I think I'm gonna have to like flip it out. My hair's gotta last till tomorrow. I'm not doing braids yet. I'm not doing my hair tomorrow. I literally just washed my hair. How are you not cooperating? It's because I don't like frizzy hair, and when my hair gets like just a little bit frizzy, I start genuinely crashing out. Genuinely like start getting so mad. Like, I feel like people think I say that just to say that, like, oh my god, funsies. No, I genuinely started, I need to hold back my tears. I'm not holding back my tears right now because my hair doesn't look that bad and I kind of don't give a fuck. But the more I look at it, like look at this side, the more I am in fact holding back tears and holding back anger and everything. But this side of my head is making me so mad. Putting gel on it so it really stays down. Oh, it just bounces right back up with the gel. No, that's not what we're gonna do. Okay, so I fixed the front pieces after like literally crashing out. I'm only gonna put gel right there, okay guys? I put water on the rest of my head and like just put it back. I didn't put no gel, nothing, just water. So now for this piece, I'm just gonna do it because it's irritating me real bad. Okay guys, so that's what my hair looks like today. I'm actually gonna update you guys when I get home. I have no idea when I'm getting home at, but yeah, this is my hair today. I'm gonna give you guys an update later so you guys can see how my hair looks dry, because it's not gonna dry by the time that I go to school. This is how my hair turned out. What the fuck, there's a mosquito in my house. This is how my hair turned out. It did get a little frizzy because like when I get like stressed and stuff, because like I was taking an exam today, I like tend to like scratch my head, so it's a little more frizzier at the root. I don't know if you guys can tell, probably not, but I don't know, because so tomorrow my hair is gonna last like this. Like I'm gonna keep, I don't care how messy my hair looks, I'm having my hair down. Thursday, I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair. I might put it in braids, or I don't know, because my winter break starts tomorrow when I leave for my last final. So I gotta see. I'll get back to you guys with more updates. I'm pretty sure my hair looks really bad just because the fact that yesterday I didn't take a nap, but my hair was basically up the whole time, like the whole yesterday, which if you know you have curly hair is not good because your hair will mold it how you leave it. So we're gonna see. And yesterday I had taken it down before I went to bed just to check it out. That shit looks so scary, guys. I was trying so hard not to cry, but like since today is the last day I have to cry for my hair because today is like the last day that I have to go to school. I think I'll be fine. So again, my hair being all mushed up, I don't know, my hair, like, I think it's the fact that I don't have my edges done, but I just feel so messy. I feel so like why is it doing that? Like, why is it going up like that? How do I avoid that? I don't think I've ever been able to avoid that. I used to wear my curly hair a lot of different ways to bed, like a lot. Like I'd probably try like every method plus like extras, and I've gone through a phase through all of them, so I could literally tell you like what I thought, how they went. As somebody who has curly hair, I always wondered how straight people slept with their hair. I'm not gonna lie, I always thought that they would just sleep with their hair down. Yeah, that's not the case, I think. I'm not 100% sure actually. How do y'all sleep with your guys' hair? Guys, my hair's like not cooperating. I don't think I would ever like cut my hair out of like madness. Like, why does my hair do that? Why is it flat and then it's bumpy right here? That's just gonna genuinely like make me crash out. I look like, why did my hair do that? Why did my hair go back like that? Like I didn't even touch you, bruh. Guys, I woke up like extremely late today. Guys, I look fucking insane. Like, why is my hair going up on that side? It looks like I have pigtails. I don't have pigtails in my head. Like genuinely, my hair casually going in my eye, like hello, and I kept my eye like this and the hair was just going more and more. I'm like, oh my god, that feels a little uncomfortable. Like, girl, get your hair out of your eye. Oh my god, what is that? Like, why? Genuinely, I love my curly hair. Like, I would not switch my curly hair for straight hair, no matter how much better I think I look with straight hair. I don't think I could give away my curly hair, genuinely. Guys, I don't know, I think my hair needs oil. It looks a little dry. Every single time I see a one little dry piece of hair, I always find the excuse to put oil in my hair because I just love putting oil in my hair. Ever since I saw how split my ends were, I was like, yeah, I'm not letting this shit happen again. I'm getting my cuts every 3 months. I know my hair has been growing, like I've seen it, but you can't see it with curly hair. Actually, maybe you can a little bit. Maybe it's just because like It's low-key at the same length, but my hair has low-key been growing. But I was gonna say, I woke up hella late today, and it was like, I don't know, like I just can't wake up when it's like dark outside. I gotta wake up when it's light. My camera's dying, so I gotta go. But yeah, that's it for my hair today. Genuinely so frizzy, so everything. But I'm gonna see y'all literally, I don't even know, I'll just see y'all when I come back, because I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna do anything to my hair. So I'll just come back when I have any new updates. I literally did skip yesterday because I literally just brought it away all yesterday. But I already took my hair down because I was letting it marinate. And so yeah, basically I had my hair up in a bun the whole time. So I'm gonna try to see if I can somehow mold my hair to be down, because I can't wear my hair up because I don't want to do my edges. I'm letting my eyebrows grow out. Don't even look at them. And I just don't want them to be too visible. And like if I wear a bun, they're gonna be very noticeable that I have like a whole like patch of hair that's not attached to my eyebrow. So I'm just trying to like cover that up. And also I just feel like I'm wearing black, and I just want to wear my hair down. I think I'm gonna do my hair soon because oh my god. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys whenever I end up finishing my hair, because I'm in low-key a little of a rush. Looking for how my hair looks like today. Very frizzy but very cute. So I'm gonna come back whenever. I think I'm gonna show you guys my hair today. I don't know if I'm gonna wash my hair today. I'm not 100% sure if like I'm gonna wait till Christmas Eve, because I would be washing my hair tomorrow if I were on a normal, wait, today's Friday. I would be washing my hair in 2 days if it was like a normal week. But I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair. So once I figure out what I'm gonna do with my hair, I'm gonna let you guys know. My hair is very frizzy. Look at this breakage. Oh my god, that's crazy. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. So I did wash my hair 3 days ago, but I didn't record. And then for the last like 2 days I've been bed rotting, so don't even worry about that. I didn't show you guys because it was like hella boring and like my hair didn't even look that good. So today we're gonna do a hair mask. I haven't done a hair mask in like months, mainly because tomorrow is Christmas Eve. And if I look good for Christmas Eve, because it's being celebrated at my house this year, I actually have to look decent. I'm not 100% sure how I'm gonna do my hair yet, but I'm gonna figure it out. So we're gonna be using this hair mask. I've never used it. I just found it in my mom's bathroom and was like, okay, it'll do. It's this Nature's Therapy hair mask, and it's like mega moisture sunflower seed oil. I don't know. I've never like, I don't know. Hopefully this doesn't absolutely ruin my hair, but we're gonna see. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this on my hair and see what it does. So I'm out the shower, and like that hair mask ate down because that hair mask was so good. Hold on. So this is how my hair ended up looking. I'm not gonna lie, it's still a little wet. It looks very perfect. I haven't had my hair like this in a very long time. I don't know if I made a good choice with the side part. If I don't like it, I'm gonna just do a middle part tomorrow and just fix it to be a middle part. I think I made a good choice with the side part. Maybe I just need to wait for it to dry to like I could take them apart and poof up my hair a little bit more. But yeah, this is what my hair is gonna look like for New Year's Eve and Christmas. So I'll come back whenever it's dry, because like some pieces are dry but some are like wet, and I can't take it apart until they're all dry. So that's why I look a little funky right now. I am pulling away the dry pieces, but I'd rather just wait. So I'll be back whenever I finish that. Good morning. We're gonna see how my hair turned out. Oh my god, I guess I went to sleep like that. I haven't touched my hair. I hate it when my hair looks like this. It like wraps up. Okay, some of the pieces are like confused on what they should be doing. Do I look better with a middle part? Don't tell me I look better with a middle part and I did a side part. I don't know, you guys let me know if I made a mistake or not. I think I just have to put the hair tie in my hair to make my hair flat again, because like it's like I don't want it flat, but at the same time I also don't want these like random pieces. Popping up like those. So I think I'm gonna put my hair in a rubber band and then I'm gonna fix it up, and then we're gonna see how it looks. Because like, why is it going like that? Like, I hate that my hair does that. I already leave it like this for like maybe 10-ish minutes, or I don't know, however long. Sometimes I forget about it and just keep my hair like this for a while. But there's nothing wrong with keeping your hair like this for a long time. So I'll be back and I'll show you guys if my hair ended up fixing itself or not. Good morning. I left my tripod downstairs, so I'm not trying to get it right now. So this is just gonna be the angle for right now. Okay, I think this one's a little better. But I literally forgot to come back yesterday. Merry Christmas. Like, I don't know what happened. Let me fix my hair real quick. So this is how my hair looks, and I'm very irritated with my hair because like I don't understand when I sleep it keeps going up. Like why is this piece going like that, like for real? So I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm not gonna fight my hair right now. Good morning. Let's see how my hair looks. Ooh. Yesterday my hair was kind of like going everywhere, so my hair's really getting crusty now. But sorry, the lighting's like ass. Hold on. I'm not doing my edges. I'm sorry. I'm not. I'm supposed to be letting them grow. I feel like as the day will go, my hair will disinflate. That's what I call it. Like I let my, like when I put my hair up and it's like all in one solid thing, I just let it disinflate and then it'll go down. I am in a little bit of a rush like always, so I gotta like hurry up. The only thing I don't like about doing my hair like this is that the pieces, like when you pull apart curls, they go back together and I'm like, come on guys. But okay, this is just how I'm gonna leave my hair. As the day will go, it will like disinflate and stuff, but yeah. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. So this is my hair today. I actually woke up very mad because like I was like, oh my god, my hair's not cooperating. But I think I got it. I think I made it work. I have a lot of flyaways. This is why I don't like doing finger coiling or whatever you would call this, because my hair gets so frizzy, and when it's frizzy it's super noticeable because of the way that I did my hair. Also, so I don't know if I want to wash my hair tomorrow because tomorrow's the 28th and New Year's is the 31st, if that makes sense. If that's like tomorrow's the 28th and New Year's is on the 31st, and it's gonna be like a 3-day difference. It's gonna be like 3 days away from New Year's Eve, and I want my hair to be done nicely, so I think I'm gonna wait till the 29th or 30th to do my hair. I don't know what day yet, but I really want to wash my hair because it's like really like I feel like I need to wash it soon. If not, I'm gonna lose a lot of hair in the shower. So I don't know. I'll keep you guys updated, and I'll see if I make my mind up when I'm gonna wash my hair. But it might look good on camera, but like I feel like it's just getting like too tangled, and I don't really feel like losing a lot of hair. So yeah.